Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Iminingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyawamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing lights for the world to become better. Namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma ngesithunywa because of someone in the comment section who was like, "Mkhulu siyacela bandla, sitshela ukuthi usiphakamisa kanjani isithunywa sifundise." Ngisasho namanje. Isithunywa Ingelosi, it's an angel. Kanti futhi masikhuluma ngesithunywa bakwethu sikhuluma ngomoya ozalwa nawo. Wonke umuntu mayizalwa uzalwa enomoya. Umoya, we are talking about the spirit. Uzalwa unomoya. And uzalwa uNkulunkulu akubumbe ngendlela yakhe, meaning there are gifts, talents that God has stored within you. Hence, when you look at all human beings, siphiwe ngendlela ehlukene. There are people who heal others through music. There are people who heal others through arts, through acting, through whatever creation abakwazi and whatever. Uphiwe, the people who are inventors out there. There are people who are dancers out there. You look at people how they dance, and then you just like, so wonke umuntu unayo ingelosi. Wonke umuntu unesithunywa. Everyone is born nengelosi yakhe. But kukhona laba abahamba neingelosi eyikhethekile. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Bakhona abahamba neingelosi eyikhethekile. Abantu abakhulekela abantu, healers, ingelosi zabo ziphezulu because of ziyakwazi ukubona inkinga zabanye abantu. Even when you're a singer, you see yourself uba successful, you touch everyone, not just local people but also international people. Nawe unengelosi, it's just that eyakho ithunyelwe in a different sphere of life. Abanye in sports, sonke siyahlukana. But ngiyayibusela ke thina abantu abathandazayo, thina abantu abalaphayo. Uzalwa nayo ingelosi. Uzalwa nayo lengelosi. And when you grow up, iyakhula. Ngesikhathi kumele iphakame, iyaphakama. You look at people abayizangoma. At a very young age, idlozi umntwana livuke. Alikhethi isikhathi. Kunabantu abalinda baze bafike ko-50 kuthiwa kumele yothasa isiphiwo sakhe siphakame. So can you see ukuthi iy'khathi ney'khathi azifani? And kubanye that takes time for ingelosi zabo ukuthi ziphakame. There are some delays in the spiritual realm, meaning people who came before you kukhona bebangasifuni isipho abangazange basamukele, or nawe personally you don't want to accept. So kodwa into engifuna ukuthi iqonde ukuthi ingelosi nengelosi iyaziphakamela ngesikhathi sayo. Abanye bebencane ibabamba ingelosi. Ubona umntana ophaphile, a talkative child, a wise child, uyibuza ukuthi hayibo kanti kuchaza lo moya azalwe nawo, le ngelosi azalwe nayo. You look at me, ngingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle, but I can share wisdom, I can share light. Other people call me, she's an old soul. It's like I've lived before because of I can advise people who are beyond the years that I've lived. But umoya engembetho wona, engithweswe wona, it's a very old soul. Ikhehle lidala, ikhehle likhulu, ikhehle lihle, khathide. So nawe ke ngifuna ukuthi uqonde ukuthi ngesikhathi ingelosi onikwe yona iyayiphakamela. Uthi umoloko lukhula as you grow and develop, ukhula experiencing life. You have visions. Uqala so uyabona manje ama visions. Uwabona amakhehla, uzibona izalukwazi. zifika kuwena zikunikeza iduku, zikunikeza izikhali, zikunikeza all those things. You buy those things, uyazikhulekisa, ukhuleka ngazo. Taking that simple instruction from them, you elevate. But sometimes angeke uzuboniswe ngokwamaphupho. You will have dreams that you do not understand, but you will have destiny helpers. I had destiny helpers. At church, even in the streets, I'd meet people who would tell me, amaqiniso ukuthi uyabona whatever that you have, ngengilosi ohamba nalo moya ohamba na umkhulu ufuna ukuhlonishwa, kuzomela wenze u1, u2, u3. I took those instructions, and after taking those instructions, I elevate. My elevator, my dreams improved. Amaphupho improved. I prayed more because nami I felt good to know it's high time now I focus on this gift that people are always saying that I have. But akushongo ukuthi kumele ngihambe ngiyothwasa and all of that. Cha bakwethu. Cha. No. So to the person who's asking, sifundise mkhulu ukuthi siziphakamisa kanjani, khuleka uvule inhliziyo yakho, khuleka ulayite ibane esimhlophe. Take instructions. Amaphupho ongawaqondi wakhulekise and ask God to give you clarity on whatever dreams. And akusho ukuthi uma ulibonile iphupho wangaliqonda angeke uphinde uliqonde. The experiences that you're going to have, they're going to make you realize, because of some dreams are there to just tell you about your life. Mawuzohlangabezana nobunzima, makuzoba nento enhle ezayo kuwena, mangabe kukhona into enzakala ngaphakathi kwesimo sekhaya lakho, you are shown before. You pray, you thank God, you move on, you ask for wisdom and light. How do you deal with the situation at hand? Ingelosi, Isithunywa, sonke sizalwa nazo ithunywa. Ithunywa zethu ayifanani. Ezinye iphezulu, ezinye nje it's just normal. All of us are called. For the fact that you are alive, you are called. But few are the chosen one. And the chosen ones are not having it easy because of ukuba nesipho. It's not easy. Akukho lula. The challenges that you experience, kunzima. So you are God's friend. You are always like you. When you are the chosen one, your communication with God is constant. It's every day. It's every minute, every second. Because of you are isolated at sometimes, you are forever experiencing challenges. You usedolweni. And let me tell you something. Kunabanye abantu abangathandazi ngale ndlela thina esikhethekile esithandaza ngayo iqiniso lihle. Kunabantu abangathandazi who just rock nje, yazi abayiphilelayo, aphila normally nje, who go with the flow of life. But there are some of us that feel the need, because ingilosi yami engaphakathi kumina, ingilosi yomthandazo ithini, kumele uhlale uhlezi ukhulekile. Nami mangingakhulekanga angizizwa kahle. Take instructions and wait on God. Ingilosi yakho izoyiphakamela ngesikhathi. But if you happen to go to a consultation, bakutshele ngengilosi yakho, bakutshele ukuthi what exactly you need to buy. Do that, take instructions, and see your life progressing. You do things so that you can see ufuna ukuyibona progress. Nami ke, I'm a prayerful person. I take instructions. I do exactly what I'm told. Why? Because of ngifuna ukubona intuthuko, ngifuna ukubona an improvement. I want to see improvement in my life. So don't feel pressured. To the person who's asked, don't feel pressured. Start praying with opening your heart and inquiry and saying, God, can you please show me the way? You can say that every day and He will show you. We are all called. Ngesikhathi ingelosi iyaphakama. Mayiphakeme iyaphinde futhi iyayichaza ukuthi yimina ngizokwenza u1 ngizoyenza u2 ngizoyenza u3 and then iwenze. It's like idlozi malivukile liyakhuluma ukuthi ngizoyenza u1 ngizoyenza u2 ngizoyenza u3. Like I say, we are called differently and some people are chosen, and even in those chosen ones there are those special ones. Have you seen today's healers? When you look at the TV, uyababona abantu abahealayo ukuthi they heal differently because of uNkulunkulu babumbe ngendlela yabo. You'd ask yourself that uma wazi ivoice yakhe iya change, it just describes ukuthi nami indlela inkosi ngibumbe ngayo. So nakuwena iba nokuthula, isithunywa singaphakathi kuwena sizophakama. Umoya lo onikwe wona, umoya lo okwembethe ngesikhathi uzophakama. Uma uphakama bese konke kuyacaca. You will experience delays because of if kunabantu abazokubonela kuqala ukuthi unesiphiwo, they will try block it, they will try nje mess up your life, but God has a final say in everything. I love you so much, guys. Akubo ubumbano nozwana nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.